Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 3D text effect on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. Few days back I have seen one Instagram story, just a normal story, but underneath that story that specific Instagram user has written something in a 3D text effect. After seeing that, I was thinking that how he got that effect. I was keep thinking and I got that effect, and in this video I'm going to share with you that how you can also create that 3D text effect. Just watch this video till the end. Okay guys, I have opened my Instagram profile and I will show you how to add a 3D text on your Instagram story. Okay, just add some text. Okay, anything, you can add anything. Okay, I'm going to type social media. Okay, but don't forget that you have to type text in same font. If you want to drag it and make it bigger, you can go for it. Okay, you can select whatever font you want. Fine, just make the text bigger. And next thing what you have to do is type social media again, but don't type the text in the same color itself. You have to type in different color like black or yellow or green, like that. Okay, I'm going to type it again. Fine, I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, see. And next thing what you have to do is just move it and place it on the top of that text in white color. You have to make the adjustment and you can make it as a 3D text effect. Okay, just tweak. See, this is what I told you about. You can create a 3D text using some text itself. Right now I have created a 3D text using a simple text, using a black color and a white color font. Right, you can see it here. Right, you can also use it on your stories also. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Okay, so if you like this video, please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, we will see you in the next video.